Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Kamohelo Mutusi, and today I will be showing you guys how to register your business in under 5 minutes. This is the easiest way to register your business, and please follow through with the video. Thank you so much. The first thing you're going to do is type in www.bizportal.gov.za. Now you're going to go on to register. If you don't already have your customer code from CIPC, however, if you do, just click on login and you fill in your information, which is your ID number. They're going to ask for your ID number. Now you move on to putting the issue date of your ID number. It's at the back of your ID. Remember to follow the format. It must be valid. Then click on verify. Your name and surname will show automatically. Now you are required to put on your cell phone number, your email address, and indicate the province, and also to create a password and confirm it. After clicking register, you will receive a message that also shows you what your customer code is. So you use your customer code throughout, where when you log in, it will be required. After receiving your customer code, click on login and put on your ID number and the password that you just created. Once you click on login, this is what will be showing on your screen. You'll receive your user profile, which contains your name, your surname, your ID number, and also your disqualifying status. Now you click on to register a new company. You will receive company registration information and also name reservation. What you click now is new registration, where you will get your terms and conditions. You slide to the right onto yes and click continue. Slide one more time to the right and click continue. Slide again to yes and click continue. After you've accepted all the terms and conditions, now you will be asked, what type of a company are you registering? Is it a private company or a non-profit organization? Now you will be asked questions about the director of the company. You will be asked again to fill in your ID number. Information will show the director's name, the ID number, and also the disqualifying status. Once again, you will be required to fill in your ID issue date, which is at the back of your smart card, and remember to follow the correct format when you're filling in the details. This page will ask you specific questions about the director, which will include the cell phone number, the email address, and also their physical address, and furthermore questions down below about the city and the province that they are coming from. Click continue, where you will now be asked questions about the company details, starting with the financial year end, the number of shareholding, the physical address of the company. Now you'll be asked questions about the name of the company. If you already have an approved name, click on the first one. If you want to register for a new name, click on the second block, which is what I'm clicking right now. It will now proceed to ask you the proposed names. So you have 4 options, with the first one being the one that you mostly prefer, and going down just like that. After you're done filling your information or your proposed names, click on to continue. You will now see the status of your proposed names. Out of the 4 that you've listed, it will show you which ones are available. Once you click on to continue, you'll receive an SMS with the name reservation number. You will now be asked if your company has employees, yes or no, and also if you'd like to apply for BBBEE certificate. If you'd like to apply for the certificate, they'll ask you questions that will calculate your BBBEE. Please make sure that you answer these questions truthfully, because should it be found that you lied about this information, you will have a criminal record. It is a criminal offense to lie about this information concerning BBBEE. You will now be asked questions about the bank that you'd like to bank with for your company. You select the bank and you proceed to now paying for your registration for your company. This is the final stage. The company details that you've captured have now been saved. All you have to do is make a final step of making payment and your company will be registered. Click on Add Card and click on Pay Now. You will be directed to the CIPC website where you also click Pay Now. Before you add your card details, make sure that you read all the terms and conditions and you click Accept. Now you add your card number, click on Pay Now. You will now receive an OTP. Click it and press Submit. Once the transaction was successful, your account will be loaded with 175 Rand on CIPC. After a successful transaction, your company will now be registered. You will receive the relevant documents at a later stage via email. Thank you guys for watching up until the end. That is how you register your business in under 5 minutes. Make sure you share this video with many others who wish to register their businesses and save money.